Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 23rd. Let's review the daily planner. Today we are going to, in our WebEx, do the Unit 5 review. So please just finish the problems that are mentioned in the directions. No need to complete all of the entire 4 pages, just the as directed in the directions. The videos that are attached in the folder are optional, but they're for review if you'd like to look those over. For Katie's trunk today, you are going to just review by watching a cause and effect video after reading the directions. The video is inside of the directions, and then you're going to complete the cause and effect assessment called A Dangerous Day. For your real-time journal, please make sure that you are adding to your journal and to your discussion thread. For Woods Runner, we are preparing ourselves for our Socratic seminar that is on Friday. So to prepare yourself, you are going to go to the Woods Runner folder, read the directions for today, watch the video link that I created on thick versus thin questions, and within that folder, you'll see that those documents are also in there on thick versus thin questions, so you can upload those into Notability as well, so you can use them to help you create questions. You're going to answer the Woods Runner Socratic Seminar questions that I have created, and at the bottom of that document, you're going to create your own question to bring to life. So, like I said, you're going to need to make sure that you watch that video to help you prepare by creating your own question. However, there are 4 other questions that you are also going to need to complete. The purpose for this is just to get you thinking about the questions ahead of time so that you are not feeling like you're on the spot tomorrow at the Socratic seminar. And if you know what the questions are going to be ahead of time, then hopefully our Socratic seminar will be a success. In social studies, as stated in our 1 o'clock WebEx meeting today, we're going to try to have all of those notes completed by Monday if possible. So working through all of those chapters, 10, 11, and 12, and making sure that you upload your Cornell notes and put that into the Road to the Revolution Cornell notes assignment in Schoology when you are done this week. In science, there are still 2 activities that need to be completed, so make sure you complete those activities and go through each folder separately. We are nearing almost Friday here, so if you have not done science yet, make sure that you are looking in this folder today. And lastly, our homeroom question of the day is, if you could go anywhere for 1 day during this quarantine, where would you go and why? And the Flipgrid code is right here for you. Thank you for all of you that have been participating in the Flipgrids. It's super exciting to see how you respond. Feel free to respond to others as well. This is their time for you guys to be able to interact with each other. So it's okay for you to respond to other people on that Flipgrid. And then lastly, I've already said this, but our face-to-face times 10:30 to 11:30, I'll be in my office, and then we have that live lesson at 1 o'clock, so please bring that Unit 5 review that's already completed at 1 o'clock, and we'll look at that together. Leave anything blank that you are maybe unsure of, and we'll see you at 1 o'clock today.